Did you know tiger cubs are born blind? They only open their eyes about a week after birth. For the first 8 weeks, tiger cubs drink only their mother's milk. They can't survive on their own during this time. Tiger cubs may look small and harmless, but by the time they're 8 months old, they're already learning to hunt alongside their mother. A tigress is an incredibly protective mother. She usually raises her cubs alone and defends them fiercely against any threat. Sadly, only about half of tiger cubs in the wild survive to adulthood, making every cub that grows up a true success for the species. The pencil rests, but the wild remains. Which creature should we capture in our next sketch? Parakeets, also called budgeriggers or budgies, are one of the most social bird species. In the wild, they live in flocks of up to hundreds of birds. Parakeets are great mimics. Some can learn hundreds of words and phrases, making them one of the most talkative pet birds. Wild parakeets are native to Australia, where they thrive in dry, open grasslands. They're experts at finding water sources, even in harsh conditions. Though most wild parakeets are green and yellow, perfect for camouflage and grass, selective breeding has given us many colors like blue, white, and even violet. Parakeets aren't just singers, they're playful too. In the wild, they spend hours flying, foraging, and even playing little games with flock members. The pencil rests, but the wild remains. Which creature should we capture in our next sketch? Dogs were the first animals ever domesticated by humans, with evidence going back over 15,000 years. A dog's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times stronger than ours. Some can even detect diseases like cancer or diabetes. Dogs don't just bark, they use body language, tail wags, and even ear movements to talk to us and each other. There are over 340 recognized dog breeds worldwide, from tiny Chihuahuas to giant fluffy St. Bernards. Studies show that when humans and dogs look into each other's eyes, both release oxytocin, the love hormone. The pencil rests, but the wild remains. Which creature should we capture in our next sketch? The jaguar has the strongest bite of all big cats, strong enough to crush a turtle's shell or pierce straight through a skull. The word jaguar comes from the indigenous word yaguara, which means beast that kills with one leap. Unlike most cats, jaguars love water. They are skilled swimmers and often hunt along rivers and lakes. Each jaguar's coat pattern of rosettes, the black spots with dots inside, is unique, like a fingerprint. No two jaguars look exactly the same. Jaguars are solitary and secretive hunters. They usually hunt at night, moving quietly through the jungle before striking with incredible power. The pencil rests, but the wild remains. Which creature should we capture in our next sketch?